జరిగేసింది.
Refacier. Sí, sí.
में aku nisko
చదువుకోరా ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, అప్లై చేసావు కదా, పాస్ అయ్యావు కదా ఇంటరు. ఎన్నాళ్ళకి ఎన్నాళ్ళు పాస్ అయ్యావు, ఇంకెన్నాళ్ళు
అది ఆడ పెట్టేసుకోవాలి, రింగ్ లో పెట్టి అది వేసుకుని పోయేది. ఈ డ్రాప్ కొట్టడం అంటే ఇలాగ ఎవరు కొట్టలేరు. చిన్నప్పుడు చాలా కొట్టినట్టు ఎడ రింగ్ లో పెడతాయిరా, పడిద్ది ఎడబెట్టు, ఇక్కడ టచ్ మా సెంటర్ ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి. ఇది
ఈ గట్టి మీద అదే గట్టి మీద పాపయ్య కొడుకు చెప్పినప్పుడు
సార్ మీ మైక్ మ్యూట్లో ఉంది సార్.
హలో, వినపడుతుందా?
సార్ వినిపిస్తుంది సార్.
ఓకే, నాకు మీ నుంచి వాయిస్ రాపోయేటప్పటికి నాకు మెసేజ్ ఇలా చాట్లో మెసేజ్ అన్న పెట్టచ్చు కదా
సార్. మీ మైకే మ్యూట్లో ఉంది సార్, అందుకే మీరు మ్యూట్లో చేసే వరకు మెసేజ్ చేయలేదు సార్.
ఓకే, నేను చూసుకోలేదు. ఓకే, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. కెన్ వి స్టార్ట్ ది లెసన్?
సార్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి.
Okay, now the last class we started the draft system. Draft system. What is draft system? That is, we need air. We need air enter into the furnace, and the gases after combustion has to leave the combustion chamber to the boiler. If you want to, the air should be enter into the boiler and gases should leave the boiler. Therefore, gases should be traveled into the boiler and outside the boiler. They need a pressure difference is to be there. That is, there is a positive. This is possible only a pressure difference is maintained above and below the grate. The difference of pressure maintained is known as a draught, or we can broadly call it as the pressure difference between the outside and inside the boiler. The pressure difference between outside and inside the boiler is called draft. The draft is defined as a small pressure difference which causes the flow of air and gases through the boiler. The pressure difference వలన బాయిలర్ లోకి ఎయిర్ అండ్ గ్యాసెస్ ఇన్ అండ్ అవుట్, ఎయిర్ లోపలికి వెళ్ళటానికి, తర్వాత కంబషన్ గ్యాసెస్ బాయిలర్ లోంచి బయటకు రావడానికి యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. ఆబ్జెక్టివ్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడ్యూసింగ్ ది డ్రాఫ్ట్: to provide adequate supply of air for combustion of fuel. Therefore, we need a supply of air for combustion. If you want to combust the fuel, we need oxygen. Oxygen is supplied in the form of air. Therefore, we need adequate supply of air. By that, if the pressure difference is only there, only then it can be supplied. Another thing is to clear the gases of combustion from the furnace. Once the combustion is completed, hello, everybody. Hello, everybody.
Ready.
Not 5.
Oscar.
Now that is after combustion, the gases has to leave the furnace. That is another to clear the gases of the combustion from the furnace. Next, to discharge the gases to the atmosphere through the chimney to avoid pollution. Therefore, the flue gases has to be discharged to atmosphere through chimney to pollution. Therefore, 3 main objects. One is adequate supply of air for combustion of fuel, to clear the products of combustion from the furnace, to discharge the gases to the atmosphere through the chimney to avoid pollution. That is, this is called draught. If the draught is produced by naturally, by producing a chimney, that is called natural draught system. If the pressure difference is created by using some artificial or some device, that is called artificial draught system. Artificial draught systems are divided into 2 types. One is if I am using a mechanical fans or blowers, we can call it as mechanical or a fan draught system. If I am using a high velocity jet of steam, that is called steam jet draught system. In this, there are steam jet draught system. There is 2 types. One is induced, another one is forced. If I am forcing the steam enter into the boiler, thereby creating a pressure difference, that is called forced. Induced means we can suck the air from the boiler by using a high velocity steam jet, that is called suction. That is induced draught system. Now, if I am using a blower or a fan to force the air into the boiler, that is called forced draught system. We can suck the air from the exhaust gases from the boiler, that is called induced draught. If I am combination of these 2, one fan is forcing, another fan is inducing, that is called balanced draught system. The draft may be produced in different ways. In general, it may be classified as 2 types: natural or chimney draft, or artificial draft system. Artificial draft system is further divided into 2 types. One is called steam jet draft, another one is mechanical draft. Natural draft system. In the natural draft system, we use a chimney or a stack, which is known as chimney draft system. A chimney is nothing but a tall construction with a masonry walls, brickwork, or a concrete, or that is iron tube for a certain length of that is certain length, height. That is, the difference is created because of pressure difference in the that is the pressure difference created between the chimney and the boiler grate. Here, the pressure difference is caused because of the temperature and pressure inside the chimney and outside the chimney. The pressure, what are the outside the chimney is atmospheric conditions. Inside the chimney is nothing but that is the high temperature flue gases. When temperature is more and pressure is more, the density is less. and that when temperature is less, density is more. Because of density difference, pressure difference is created. That is called the pressure difference produced because of density difference or height of the column. That is called natural draft system. In the natural draft system is defined as the difference between the pressure of column of hot gases in the chimney and equivalent column of outside air column. Suppose if the pressure changes, the column changes. Suppose if you do in manometers, if manometer liquid changes, what happens? Pressure difference will be changes. Column height will be changes. If more density liquid is taken, pressure difference reading will be very less. Therefore, that is in manometers, we use a water for calculation of pressure difference between the two limbs. Then we have to convert into air column height. Whenever the pressure and temperatures are varied, the column, that is whenever pressure difference will be varied, the column height will also vary because of pressure difference will be varied. When temperature and hot gases will have a low pressure and height, low temperature atmospheric has got high temperature because of chimney. Here it is a pressure is more, here pressure is less. Because of pressure difference, what happens? Gases will flow through the chimney. But the drawbacks of this system is, okay, now that is, we need a static draft for boiler insulation varies between 25 to 350 mm of water column, depending upon the size of the boiler. Naturally, it's not possible to build a chimney of enough height to produce a draft of a large magnitude. And the pressure difference create and the large height man create because of structural problems, stability, structural problems. Okay, therefore, the natural draft system is used for small capacity boilers. And another very important drawback is the climatic conditions. Draft depends upon the climatic conditions. When climatic condition changes, the height required will be changes. This causes the problem. Suppose in a winter, if the pressure and temperature, the temperature is less. Hello. Hello. 304. 304. Mute lo bettu. Because the climatic condition changes, the height required will be changes. When height required changes, pressure difference will be changes. Therefore, draft is not uniform over the climatic condition changes. Winter you have less temperatures, summer have high temperatures. Therefore, the pressure difference created in winter is different, summer is different. Thereby, the draft is not uniform throughout all climatic conditions. That is the main drawback of natural draft system. This was overcome by using an artificial draft system. There are three types of mechanical draft systems. One is forced draft, induced draft, balanced draft. What is meant by forced draft? That is, if I am creating a forced draft by using a steam, we can call it as forced draft steam jet system. If I am using a forced air by using a fan or a blower, that is called forced draft mechanical system. That is only difference between the mechanical and the steam jet system. And now we will discuss forced draft system. There are three types forced. Okay, now this is first figure. Topmost figure is induced draft. Bottom figure is forced draft. Last figure is balanced draft. Here it is a boiler and air supply from the atmosphere through this primary and secondary airs, and that is after that is burning in the heating the boiler and superheater. Flue gas enter the economizer for preheating the feed water, and then it enters into the air preheater. Here I am using an induced fan. That is after economizer and preheater, I am using a blower or a fan to suck the air. Thereby, that air will be sucked to causing the low pressure in the boiler and boiler. Thereby, air enters from the atmosphere. Because the air enters into the boiler because of induction effect That is because of low pressure created in the boiler by the suction by the induced draft, and this will be forced to the chimney by an induced fan. Suppose if instead of providing here, if I am providing the blower or a fan outside the boiler at the beginning of the boiler to force the air into this one, thereby pressure increases in the boiler, and the pressure in this one is less. The pressure will be that is because of more pressure, the gases will leave the boiler, then to superheater to economizer, air preheater, and the chimney. Here I am balanced draft. We use two fans. One is forced draft fan, another one is induced draft fan. Forced draft fan will blow the air to the force the air into the boiler, and induced fan will suck the air from the boiler, economizer, and air preheater. Therefore, it is balanced. Therefore, the positive pressure, that is, one is suction pressure, another one is induced pressure. Both are using. That's why we can call it as balanced draft system. Here we are using a fan called ID fan. Induced draft. ID fan means induced draft fan. It's provided at the outlet of the boiler. This is just before the chimney. This fan sucks the hot gases from the furnace through the superheater, economizer, reheater, and discharge the gases into the chimney. This results in the furnace pressure lower than the atmospheric pressure, and this affects the flow of air from outside to the furnace. Induced draft fan అనేది ఎక్కడ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తాం? You have to say the location. After air preheater, before chimney, we will locate the induced fan system. Now what action it has to take in place? Induced fan will suck the air from the boiler, superheater, economizer, air preheater, and discharge these gases to the chimney. Whenever we suck the air from the boiler, what happens? Pressure will be reduced in the boiler. Thereby, pressure is less in the boiler, that above the grate. Below the grate, atmospheric pressure will be there. Therefore, air forces into the furnace. Thereby, airflow will be taken place by cause of induction action. That is called induced draft. Forced draft system. In this, a fan is called forced draft fan, is installed at the inlet of the boiler. This fan forces the atmospheric air through the boiler furnace and pushes outside the gases from the furnace through superheater, reheater, economizer, and air preheater to the chimney. In this, we are creating the pressure is more in the boiler than superheater and economizer and the preheater. Thereby, what happened? The high pressure gases leaving the boiler to the superheater, and then to the economizer to preheater, and preheater to chimney, and from chimney to atmosphere. Here we are, the pressure inside the boiler is higher than the atmospheric pressure if I am using a forced draft system. Balanced draft system. In the balanced draft system, we use both forced draft fan and induced draft fan. They are provided. FD fan is utilizing to draw the controlled quantity of air from the atmosphere and forced into the furnace. FD fan ఏం చేస్తుంది? అట్మాస్ఫియర్ లోంచి ఎంత క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎయిర్ కావాలో అంత క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎయిర్ని సక్ చేసుకుని ఫర్నెస్ లోకి ఫోర్స్ చేస్తుంది. The ID fan sucks the products of combustion from the furnace and discharges into chimney. There, this point where the draught is zero is called balancing point. Here, that is, the induced fan will forcing the air into the boiler. Therefore, pressure increases, and slowly pressure decreases to get the zero, that is balanced. Here, because of suction, what happened? Pressure will be reduced, and when it goes to the chimney, pressure will be balanced. Pressure will be zero here at this point of chimney. Okay, that is called draft system. Any doubts regarding the draft system? Draft system ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
చెప్పండి సార్.
but
సార్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ డ్రాఫ్ట్ సిస్టమ్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి
సార్ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్ డ్రాఫ్ట్.
సార్.
thereby what happens, air required for the boiler will be transferred, the air required for the air required for the boiler will be supplied through this to the atmosphere. Here it is sucked, that the air will be sucked and transferred to the chimney.